Alright, hello everybody. Just as a follow-up to my previous house video, I thought it was about time to give you guys an update since I've gotten so many requests. So instead of doing a full tour of the house, I'm just going to focus on the areas that were not finished the last time that I had shot this video. So first off, as you can see, I got the dirt leveled off behind the shed. Grass is planted and started coming up a bit before things are getting cold this November, so this should be looking nice by next spring. The shed itself, as well as the outside of the house, are also painted now in a much nicer color scheme. As you can see here, I went ahead and straightened out the new basement stairs to make them a bit neater, and also a handrail has been added, just to make it that much more safe and compliant with local building codes. As we come down to the basement, where we had these concrete forms before that left little trenches in the floor, I went ahead and filled all that in with concrete to make it level. I also filled in the big hole over here where that crazy jacuzzi tub was installed. So, the floor, minus this step up to the part that wasn't lowered by the previous owner, is now level. And back here in the tool area, where the last owner had his secret room where he was growing things, all the construction here that was full of mold has all come out, and the walls have all been scrubbed nice and clean. So this area is now safe and good to go. Up here in the half bathroom, I went ahead and did a little DIY renovation. Basically just repainted the ceilings and walls and replaced some of the fixtures, so you can see we have a new light. That's actually the existing bathroom fan, just taken down and clean. Got a new vanity mirror. Old sink with a new faucet that fits the space on here a lot better than the old one did. Took down all those ugly towel bars that were on the wall and filled in the holes. And now there's just one simple hand towel holder, toilet paper roll down there, and of course it's the same toilet as before. But yeah, it's brighter, cleaner, and much more open in here. The only change to report in the living room is that all the building materials are out of here and all the furniture is now assembled. So this room is looking a lot more neat than it was last time. The stairs have all been repainted, and all the holes and scratches and things in the walls have been filled in and repaired. I also went ahead and did a lighter color scheme in here too, just to brighten things up a little bit more. The ceiling has also been patched and repaired, and we went ahead and painted the hatch for the attic too, so it sticks out a little less. Not a whole lot has changed in the second bathroom up here, probably since the last video. I'm only showing it again just because I've moved out of this one, so it's a little more clean and presentable probably than last time. And you can see I've added a couple extra fixtures like that glass shelf, just to make the sink area a little more usable. But yeah, it's made a great second bath. Both upstairs bedrooms have been fully repainted, including the ceilings and the walls, and once again, a lighter color scheme to sort of open up the upstairs. Since none of these rooms up here are that terribly big, this makes it feel a little more bright and spacious. As you can see, that same color scheme has also hit the master bedroom, but the biggest improvement in the house since my last video is here in the master bath. This project is now done. So you can see this room now features a much larger vanity with a nice faucet, a big tile backsplash that matches the shower that you'll see in a moment. I just brightened up and modernized the whole look in here. The floor is now level and uniform throughout the whole room. You can see it's just a large one sink vanity. I thought double sinks might be a bit much since this bathroom is not that large. Got a little glass shelf up here, and then of course the mirror, and a more modern looking light fixture that's actually centered above the sink. Got your towel holder down here. In this corner, a new toilet, as well as a space heater because this room gets a little cold in the winter. We kept the glass block window though. I'm not usually a fan of these, but I think that there is a place where this style works. It's in a bathroom since you get full light and privacy at the same time. Added a little custom artwork again in this one. But the biggest draw in here is the shower. So instead of having that tub kind of awkwardly crammed in the corner in here, now there's a very large, luxurious looking shower stall set up. Which is still a little wet because I was just using it a minute ago. But yeah, so big tile floor on the bottom. Got the mosaic going around in a band, and that mosaic matches the stuff that's behind the sink. Box back there for soap and shampoo. A really nice shower head. Plenty of light. And because the design is so large, I was able to just leave this open with no divider, so no curtain or door or anything, which I kind of like because it makes this smaller bathroom feel much bigger, since you don't have to divide the space up. So yeah, the house, for the most part now, is done. Obviously, owning a house that's 100 years old, you never run out of projects. But it's certainly a lot better than it was when I first moved in. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this update, and that is it.